ayan, samahan nyo kami ng aking Diyosawang umattend ng wedding celebration. So bale, katrabaho ko siya dati. Tapos na yung kanilang wedding, kumbaga celebration na lang together with the gender reveal. O diba, bonggang party mga guys. So ayan. So tinanong ko si Diyosawa kung gusto niyang ayayin yung ka-work niya na sumama para matry na yung Filipino party ba. So sabi niya, okay daw. So ayun, dadaanan namin siya. So by the way, ito nga pala yung ating outfit for tonight. Nasuot ko na to guys, kaso nakalimutan ko kasi yung susutin ko sa Dubai. So ayan, terno naman to sa kanilang dress code. So ito na lang yung susutin natin. Ayan. O diba? Ang malakasan, may bicep guys. So bale, wait lang. Ano pala tayo guys? Bago tayo pumunta doon, ito muna yung magko-cover up tayo. Magko-cover up muna tayo para naman hindi ito na lang para terno siya. Diba? Diba? Terno siya sa ating dress. On the way na kami guys, bali magta-taxi kami. Kasi bawal kami magmaneho. Lalo na kung may konting inom mamaya, di ba? So, ayan guys. Ayan, palabas na kami ng hotel. Bali, magta-taxi na lang kami ng aking Diyosawa at dadaanan namin yung kanyang katrabaho. Hindi man kami pwedeng mag-drive. Kaya alam nyo na baka mapainom kami mamaya. So, ayan. To make the vlog short, dinaanan na namin siya guys.
Sorry? Your name Jafar? No. Oh, okay. You got space?
Yeah, plenty.
Got a Democrat sitting up here. Yeah.
Are you ready for the Filipino party, RC?
There you go, bro.
So, after 1 hour guys, ayan, nakarating na nga kami dito sa downtown. Grabe, sobrang init, sobrang humid guys. Tignan nyo kung napapansin nyo yung aking camera. Talagang, nag-blurred. Kailangan niyang punasan guys. Kasi sobrang humid sa labas ngayon. Sobrang init. Oh my God. So, ayan, sa mga panahon na to guys, hinahanap na namin yung building. Kaya nakalimutan ko guys. So, kaya tinignan ko muna yung kanilang message kung anong building, anong number, anong floor. And 4th floor. So, ayan guys, finally, nahanap na nga namin yung building kung saan yung party guys. Bale, sa may 4th floor pala siya. So, nagulat nga sila kay first time nilang pumasok sa mga ganitong itsura ng building guys. So, ayan, paakyat na kami guys. And then, samahan nyo kami maki-join ng party. So, it's a wedding celebration and gender reveal guys. So, ayan. So, ayan nga guys, dito, pagpasok namin dito, may nakasabayan kaming, ayan, Indian siya. Palabiro itong katrabaho ng aking Diyosawa. Kahit hindi niya yan kilala guys, lagi niyang binibiro. Ganyan siya lagi eh.
You want to be on YouTube? That's YouTube. Oh, and gender reveal.
Bisita tayo. Hello, bro.
Every scar, every broken heart feels safer now Words fail inside. I'll still hear what your heart says.
Finally guys, ito nga pala yung aking ka-work dati. Siya yung ikakasal guys. I mean, kasal na pala sila guys. Bali, celebration na lang. And then, she's preggy guys. Oh my God, what a blessing guys. O, diba? Feeling ko talaga lalaki yung anak niya guys. Kaya sobrang liit ng tiyan niya. 21 weeks na. And then, napaka-blooming pa niya. sit here all together. You're in the middle.
No, I'm not in the middle.
Tapos dito naman guys, si Jusawa nakikipag-bet sa akin kung lalaki daw ba o babae. Diyos ko. Sabi ko lalaki, sabi niya babae daw. We'll see.
Cherry boys love.
But I don't know how many months.
Stories written
Different way.
here you are.
So, ayan guys, ito nga pala yung mga kapatid kong pasmado ang bibig mga guys. O, diba? Bali, 4 kami kasi guys. Ayan, yung 2. Tapos si Kiray, si Berta, si Chabilita. Tapos yung ikakasal naman guys, siya si Criselda. O, diba? May mga palayo talaga kami guys.
We're not flawless, we're not every flaw. Love's a risk. I'll take the fall as long as you're my all. Forgets her name. I still love you just the same. You are my Valentine. I believe in your story. Here you are, standing, turning down something.
Mamaya na kayo muna. Sayang na may damit yung sige mag-picture. Hindi ako babagay. Ano kami tatangilan?
Again, put your hands together for our lovely bridesmaids and groomsmen. Together for the newest Mr. and Mrs. in town. Ladies and gentlemen, let's give it up for JR and Irene. Again, everyone, put your hands together for our lovely couple.
And dito sa moment na to guys, ayan, magpipicture na kami ng aking Jusawa kasama nung bride and groom. O diba, pinilit nga nilang mag-opa dyan si Jusawa. Pero nahihiya yan siya guys, pero wala sang choice.
Can you do this? Like this? Yes, very good. Okay, closer. Look at the camera. There you go. Thank you so much, guys. You will now go ahead and proceed and get your food. Let's call on our next table. Please come forward.
So finally guys, ayan, dumating na rin yung aking kaibigan. Ang pangalan niya is Juanito. O diba? Ay, hindi pala guys, Juanita. He's one of my favorite na kaibigan guys. Kaya napaka-genuine yan guys. Napaka-easygoing person. Tsaka napaka-funny niya talaga.
There you go. Thank you so much. In fairness, grabe yung love story ng ating lovely couple, no? Pa-Georgia na ano pa ng war. Eh, palakpakan naman natin ito ating lovely couple.
Babayaran niya yan?
Nalagnat ako.
Good evening again. Our next question.
Dito guys, lumabas nga kami saglit kay susunduin namin yung kaibigan namin isa guys na matagal ko nang hindi nakikita. Ilang dekada na yata guys, 10 years na yata. Charot. Ayan. Wala pa rin nagbago guys, napakaganda pa rin niya, o diba? Ayan yung kaibigan kong pinagkakamalan nilang magkapatid kami guys, kaya magkamukha daw kami. Charot.
Nakama ni Bukay yan.
Pagkatalo po kayo, gusto lang ipalala siya po ang nagsabugan. May sumpa. Saka ito pa. Meron lang any drink sa inyong mga cups so you can join our wine toasting ceremony. Ayan. Meron pa po tayong alak dito kung gusto niyo po. Ayan, thank you.
So ayan nga guys, after nga ng kainan guys, ayan ako pa talaga yung ginawa ni bride na ano guys, wedding toast. Kala mo naman lasinggera no. Dati yon, ngayon hindi na. Charot. Medyo kinakabahan nga ako dito guys, kaya hindi ako sanay sa speech mga day. Kaya pagbigyan na natin yung bride, 'di ba? Minsan lang naman to.
Hello everyone! I'm Clarita. Charot! Ako nga pala yung kapatid nilang pinaampon. So, eme lang yun guys. So, everyone, good evening to all of you. Hindi ako sanay sa HP talaga, nanginginig ako. So, my name is Jovi and I had the pleasure of working with Irene for over 2 years. So, I'll just keep it short guys because I'm not really into speech kasi minsan nanginginig talaga ako. Pero yata pag pasmado yung bibig. So anyway, to Irene, I am so honored to stand here tonight. You are truly one of the most genuine person I've ever met. And to Jay, you are a very lucky man. Not only do you get an amazing wife, but as all you know, Irene is an incredible cooker. She's our chef all the time, every celebration. Definitely going to be fed for life. Baka tumaba ka. So, is it so beautiful to celebrate your marriage today alongside the exciting news of your baby? You two already make a phenomenal team and you are going to be a wonderful parent. So everyone, please raise your glasses to Irene and Jay. Here is to a lifetime of love, delicious food, and to a beautiful next chapter of life. Cheers! Siyempre mag-cheers kami.
Naman natin ang ating lovely couple. Ayan, thank you so much. Okay. Ituloy na natin to with our next wedding tradition, which will be the cake cutting ceremony.
I'm really going there, but at least I can feel it out. Oh, shaking there.
I never heard you sing so much at one time. He said that's the most I've ever heard her talk. He said that's the most I've ever heard Jovi talk.
I'm not really good.
You're good. You know, it could have been.
So anyway guys, yun na nga lang yung aking na film guys. Kaya hindi rin kami nagtagal ng aking jusawa after ng kainan guys. And then mga ilang program nila, hindi na kami nagtagal kaya alam nyo na late na. Hindi nga rin namin naabutan na yung gender reveal nila. Kaya maaga nga kami kasing gigising ng aking jusawa guys, kaya meron kaming lalakarin. Pero at least we had fun guys. Tapos yung kasama ni jusawa, nag-enjoy din siya kay first time niya umattend sa Philippine wedding guys. So we are happy kasi hindi nila kami nakakalimutan imbitahin kapag may mga party sila. And I wish sa bagong kasal guys na they will have the best life together, especially magiging parents na sila soon guys. So anyway, ang bilis nga lang ng panahon kaya yung mga iba kong kaibigan kinakasal na, ganun. So anyway, we had fun guys. At least I get to see my colleagues again before, diba? Napaka-happy lang kay may mga opportunity ganito para magsama-sama ulit. So anyway guys, yan yung aking video for today. Thank you for watching and see you on my next mini vlog. Salamat!